Association led by Mrs. Marichon S. Samali, the active municipal officials headed by our barangays, Barangay 5 and 6, led by Barangay Captains Honorable Marvin Reyes and Honorable Benvenido Tumias. Our loving parents, other guests, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and wonderful evening to one and all. It is with great honor and excitement that I stand before you today to welcome you to our 65th graduation exercises with the theme Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. This theme resonates deeply with the essence of our journey together and the future that awaits us. It is a call for action for us, the youth, to unite, collaborate, and take an active role in shaping a brighter future for our school, community, and country. First and foremost, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our educators and mentors. Your commitment and dedication have paved the way for our success and achievements. You have instilled in us not only knowledge, but also the values of teamwork and unity. Your support, guidance, and belief in our potentials encourage us to discover our passions. Thank you for every lesson taught and every moment shared. Thank you for believing in us and guiding us to become the best versions of ourselves. To our families and friends, your unwavering support and love have been our backbone. You have celebrated our triumphs and encouraged us in our struggles. Your love and sacrifice have played a pivotal role in shaping who we are today. You have stood by us